The local Zimbabwe gold currency buyback rate has so far depreciated by 19.7% on the parallel market and even higher when illegal traders are selling hard currency. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. A visit to the parallel market in Harare CBD on Tuesday revealed that while the ZiG official rate was averaging 13.36 ZiG against the greenback, the parallel market dealers were paying 16 ZiG for every $1, signifying about 19.7% depreciation rate. When disposing of the greenback, the shadow market ask price is ranging around 20 ZiG, signifying a decrease of around 49.7% from the officially recognized exchange rate. In today's news, the new ZiG currency depreciates by 19.7% on the black market as police go after illegal money changers. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.